everyone, and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. This is TJ, and as you can see, I am all out of the half dollars that I set aside for giveaways on this channel. So it is about time we do another silver purchase video. Plus, I got my Walking Liberty album in the mail, and I've been working on the Mercury Dimes album as well. So what we have here is a roll of Walking Liberties and a roll of Mercury Dimes that we purchased in Little Rock, Arkansas a few months ago when we went out there. So we're going to open that up. We're going to sort them out by year, see if any fill holes or upgrade spots in either of these albums. And then we'll show you those albums, see how those are progressing, and then everything that's left over is going to be set aside for giveaways on this channel. And we'll be giving away one of these Walking Liberties for the Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video. As always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video and we'll use a random comment picker on our weekly Saturday winners video to pick the winner. With that, let's get into these bags and see what we got. Alright, so I figured I would go through the Walking Liberties first because that album is the most empty and I'm most excited to fill some spots in it. And I remembered going through these at the silver shop. It's actually a coin shop, and they let me go through a bag of junk silver, and I just remember picking the oldest ones, decent condition that I could find. That's a 34 San Francisco, and I will go ahead and start the time lapse now as I go ahead and sort these and figure out which ones are. I'm actually sorting them by decade, and then I'm going to sort them by mint mark, and then I'll see which ones are going to fill spots in the album and which ones are going to be for giveaways. So we got them all sorted out, and we ended up with 4 from 1918. We had Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco mint marks. We had Denver and San Francisco 1934, in fact 2 from San Francisco. 1936 we had 4 from Philadelphia, 2 from Denver, and 3 from San Francisco. And 1937 we had Philly and San Francisco, and then we had a Philly 1939 and a Philly 1947. So we'll go ahead and see which ones are going to go in the album. So we are all done going through those Walking Liberties, and we were able to put 6 of them in our album. So 14 of them went into the giveaway tube for future giveaways. And here is a quick look at the album. On page 1, it's pretty empty. And those of you that watch the channel a lot know that I pretty much only get silver coins for my album through junk silver purchases. On page 2, we have a 1920 Philadelphia, a 1928 San Francisco, all 3 of the 34s, and those were from this latest purchase. And then on the 3rd page, we have all the 35s except for S, and we have a couple 37s and 39. And then one thing I noticed as I was going through this book is throughout the months that I've been doing this channel, I've given away a lot of the common years, so I don't have it. 1942, there's a lot of them minted in 1942, but I don't have it. Then here is the final page. So we're making some progress. So the next thing we're going to do is go through the Mercury Dimes the same way. We'll sort them out by decade, and then by year, and then by mint mark, and we'll double check the album to see if we have any that fill holes. I don't think I'm going to find any that fill holes because I got these from a coin shop, so I really don't think there's going to be any key dates or hard to even harder to find dates because it was a coin shop, but we might get lucky. And also, my Mercury Dime book is a lot farther along than my Walking Liberty book. But we'll get that sorted out, and we'll bring you back in. So we ended up with a total of 1 from the teens, 4 from the 20s, 37 from the 30s, and then 8 from the 40s. So first up, we'll check the teens and 20s and see if we filled any spots. Well, as expected, we had 18, 23, 25, 26, 29, but all Philadelphia. And I have all those in my album, and they're all actually better condition than these. So we're going to jump into the 30s. So I just went through the 30s, and I was able to upgrade one coin. It was a 1937 Denver, which is cool. I didn't fill any holes, though. But I was kind of expecting that, because being an LCS, the better dates, the nicer coins were out. This is literally the junk bag. So now let's move on to the 40s. Just finished up going through these 1940s, and there was nothing to add or nothing to upgrade. So here's a quick look at the Mercury dime book. We have a lot of holes still remaining on the first page. The second page is down to just those 5 holes, so doing much better. And then the third page here only has the 2 spots, the 1942 2/1, and both of those, Philly and Denver, is the only ones we're missing there. So the Robinhood Coins giveaway for this video is going to be this 1935 from Philadelphia Walking Liberty right here we got in this silver purchase. As always, to enter the giveaway, comment on this video, and then be sure to watch our Saturday winners video to see if you won. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed going through those coins. It's always fun going through constitutional silver. If so, smash that like button. If you like our content, please subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos, and we will see you on the next hunt.